onto the avatar, the rite of passage. Okay, just to be clear, the sound of this video is not going to be the greatest because before I got into this ride, I went on a water ride, and then I guess the water got into the camera and the mic. That's why it's going to be sounding so muffled, just to give you guys a heads up. Sorry for the inconvenience.
All right, everyone, stay on your number and move your arms a bit. Okay, start scan. You've all got them. Great. Now let's go over how all this works. Like I said before, you're going to be matched to these things called avatars, which look a lot like the Na'vi. They're created by blending human DNA and Na'vi DNA. Once we match you to an avatar, thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden. She leads our science team, which is part of the Pandora Conservation Initiative, and we're here in the Valley of Moara studying banshees and their environment.
Or as we call it, a banshee. To the Na'vi, connecting to an Ikran and flying on its back is an incredibly important rite of passage they call Ikni-Maya. With permission from the Na'vi and in partnership with Alpha Centauri Expeditions, we can now bring this amazing...
Oh, wow.
Welcome back. Please step off the link chair, gather your belongings, and exit the link chair. Attention drivers. Stow your gear on the back wall and then get onto the link chair the way we showed you in the video. Then put on your flight visors. For your safety, throughout this entire experience, remain seated. Lean forward, holding onto the hand grips, and supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, durante toda esta